What's going on? Nick here with the American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. Got a 2017 Harley Davidson Softail Breakout in Velocity Red Sunglow. The bike's got the 103-inch fuel-injected twin cam and a 6-speed transmission. It's got the Screaming Eagle high-flow breather. These are the stock pipes. I think maybe the baffles were punched out or something like that. It's got a little bit more sound to it. There's a couple of small marks on the heat shield. There's a few small scratches right there on the tank, and there was a light scratch back here. You can barely even see it. Other than that, I noticed two of the smallest little pinholes in the seat. Breakout's got forward controls, 21-inch front wheel. This bike's got the factory security. It's got ABS brakes. Good rubber front and rear. It's one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. It's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it and made sure everything was working correctly, and then we gave it a professional detail. Bike's only got 2,934 miles. Runs and rides great. I'd probably put a set of slip-ons on there or something. I'm not really a fan of those, how it sounds. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures on this bike. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer finance and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.